Hi friends, this is Karan and you're watching Java by Karan. In the previous video we have learned what how does private access modifier works. In this video we will learn how does package level private access modifier works. Let me tell you, by default variables, that is fields, classes, methods do have package level private access modifiers. Alright, so if you let me open the access modifiers. Here you can see we are done with the private access modifier. We can access it only within the same class and not within the subclass, not within the non subclass, not in different package, so and so on. So let us see package level private. Package level private, we can access it through same class, we can access it in subclass as well as in the non subclass. Now let us see more about it. The access level modifier, default modifier, is only within the package. So you, even if you do not explicitly declare access modifier for the classes, fields and methods, it will be by default package level private. So it cannot be accessed from outside the package. If you do not specify in access level, it will be default package level private. So as I said, declarations are visible only within the package. Let us see some code. Now I have opened STS here. Here I have our project name is package level. Under SRC we have two packages, first and second. In the first package we will take a class named A. Inside we will take main method, and let's see if we can access package level private fields. Num1 int num1 equal to 10, int num2 equal to 20, int sum. Alright, so if you do not specify your specify explicitly, it is package level private. And I want to perform operation, addition operation on these fields. Public int add sum equal to num1 plus num2. Add a return statement is showing I want to return sum. Alright, so in the main method I will call this method add. Now how should I will call, I will create an instance of class A equal to new A dot add. So guys, you do have IntelliSense, do start using it and you will enjoy coding. Now this a dot add gives us output, but that output we want here in the console. So how will we have it? We will give this message in system.out.println, and shortcut keys for to run the program are control plus function F11, and you can see in the console it is 30, output is 30. So it is accessible in the same class. Now let us see if we can access it in the subclass. Here I will declare one more class, class B, and I will copy all this stuff in class B, and I will create and I'll extend subclass means we need to extend class B. I'll change, I'll create instance of class B, VB equal to new B. Need to change your reference. Again, let me run the program by using Control plus F11, and you can see here output 30. Alright, so we can access, even this works, we can access in subclass, we can access faculty or private fields inside the subclass. Now let's see if we can access it in non-subclass. Non-subclass means it which does not extend, which do not extend class B. Let us have class C. Or else what we will do is, we will not extend class B. That will make sense. Now this class is not a subclass of class B. This class B is different and class A is different. So let's run the program, right click, run as Java application. You can see the output as 30. Alright, so even this works. Now let's see if it works in different package. If we can access the fields in different package, subclass and non-subclass. Let's try this. We have a different package named second package, and let me create a class inside it, class named C. I will take a main method here. Now let's see if I can access. Now subclass means we need to extends class B. We need to extend class B. Alright. Now what we'll do is, it is giving some error. Let's see. B cannot be resolved to a type. We cannot extend class C. Need to import A, first dot A. Is showing error. So you cannot extend class B, but we can extend class A under a.java file. We have imported first.a file, and let us create instance of class A. And let me cut paste all this stuff inside class A. Let's see if it works. To see this example, in if we can access it in different package, well, we have written not accessible and non-accessible, but let's see if we can access it practically. Yes, we can access package level private fields, because here method access modifier is public. Now if we remove this public access modifier, look here, you will see an error. The method add from the type A is not visible. That means fields and methods have only the class scope, so you cannot access package level private outside the package first. You can see here live example. So I hope you guys have understood package level private, where we can access it, how we can access it in the same class, subclass and non-subclass, and we cannot access it in different package. Hence it is called as package level private. So I hope you have understood guys. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe, and follow me on the Instagram if you have any doubts and queries. Thank you very much. Signing off for the day.